Solar water heater. Solar water heater, which is also called solar domestic hot water system, is a new way to generate hot water. They can be used in any climates, and the fuel they use is sunshine, which is always free. Solar water heating systems include storage tanks and solar collectors, which collect sunshine to heat water. Solar water heaters have two types. The first one is active, which have circulating pumps and controls, and passive, which do not have circulating pumps and controls. Solar water heater systems can be used in Kurdistan region. Kurdistan region is very good for this system because it almost always has enough sunshine, especially in summer, which the days are long and the nights are short. Solar water heating systems are very beneficial. They benefit environment, economy, and human health. Furthermore, they can be installed to many places, such as swimming pools and ironing shops.
Most houses and shopkeepers use electric boilers to get hot water, and these boilers use electricity power for the purpose of working and heating water. Power generators, which use diesel fuel, are used to generate electricity power, and some of these machines make pollution and cause a lot of smoke by using diesel fuel. This smoke is really harmful to human health and results in many diseases, such as cancer in cities. On the other hand, most houses and some shopkeepers use the electricity which is directly provided by the government. But this way has a disadvantage. The disadvantage is that when they get the electricity in this way, their electricity bill will go up and they need to pay much. Solar water heater is not used here a lot because it is very expensive, and this system costs more than $2,500. Solar water heater is not well known in Kurdistan region, so there are only a few people who use solar water heaters.
Using solar water heater has many advantages for environment, human's health and economy. It's environmentally friendly because it leaves no carbon footprint. Solar water heater is one of the best ways to lower a building's carbon footprint and help protect the environment. Additionally, solar water heater is one practical step. You can take it to put a stop to mercury contamination of our watersheds. As a result, drinking water will be safer and easier. Finally, solar water heater offers significant financial benefits. For many businesses, water heater can account for over 50% of greenhouse gas emission. Even though they cost more at their initial purchase, their monthly bills are almost free. As a result, their annual cost considerably less than electric boiler.
بمرجع حتى هو كسازگار بین نبی کسی لگل دابه چون که اگر کسی لگل دابه بوریکان دتاکرت و کار نکرد و نبید آوی لبرد بید تانچی چین تایبتی خوی بید
براود لگل گیزری کاربا تیچونی ام گیزر زیادتره یان کم تر لگل گیزری کاربا
بله تیچو زیادتره بلام لو سری مصرفی کاربا بو بکنه.
In Kurdistan region, electric boilers are used more than solar water heater. The main reason is that solar water heater are more difficult to import. Electric boiler monthly costs a lot of money. The importance of this system is it works even in winter, but only if there was sunshine. When the weather is snowy or rainy, the water becomes lukewarm. Since solar water heaters leave no carbon footprint, using them is very beneficial. Protecting our environment is protecting our life.